Okay, I'm going to show how to get your heat input while you're welding. If we have 24 volts, 160 amps at a length of 12 inches, we will come up with, let's see, 24 times 160 volts times 60 seconds divided by 12 equals 19,200. But if you're on the job, doing this while somebody's welding is a little difficult. So what we can do is use a heat input calculator on your Android phone. If you get a 24 volts and 160 amps at a distance of 12 inches and you hit start, this app will calculate your heat input and you'll end up coming up with 19,200. So we're coming up to 60 seconds. Now hit pause and we got 19,200 for our joules of heat input. This app is made by Datascope Solutions. It's a real handy tool to have when you're welding.